Welcome back to CAPBROS, guys! And today we are back with another banger.
Another banger.
So in today's video we are going over our analytics. Yes.
Firstly, highly shout out to all the people that subscribe to the channel. We basically
we love you.
I love you.
And that guy, you in the back. I see you.
All you Nigerians, all you Ethiopians, everyone.
all the South Africans, obviously.
Especially
There ain't no South African I see subscribe, goddammit.
This is more of a celebration video, guys. Because
also,
So,
we're
yeah.
busy with a personal project that
Yeah.
we think you guys will
and enjoy. So make sure to turn on the bell, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to like this video, guys.
Make sure to follow us because once we are there,
We are there.
So Jody, you can just start at analytics.
Oh, we are
Start at the
clicking.
dashboard, sit at the dash.
Okay, the dashboard.
So this is subscribe. This is our last video at this
Yeah.
point. So remember, there's gonna be one after this.
Yeah. Yes.
full
So-
disclosure, this is the second video recording for the day.
This is our dashboard right here. We have the subscribe account.
Views,
Yeah.
watch time.
We've grown
We
a lot.
monetized, guys, since the
We've
last
grown
time. I think
a
we have a
lot this
video
year.
at this time. You should go watch that one if you didn't.
Oh yeah. So
That is a
comment
monetized video right there.
Yeah, so
Oh, are you talking about this one right now?
Yeah.
Oh, go watch it. It's a slice of life.
live.
Great side lives and
Analytics, yeah. Literally. So see for a small channel from South Africa, this is quite good, guys. Everything is just green. So 7k views.
Whoa, we got 7k views the last 28 days.
Yeah, that's good, bro.
Guys,
Yo.
we came from a small town
Just
called
the other
Trinidad.
we are from a humble small town in the east.
We've grown a lot this year. I'm actually very surprised.
And look, they're like from 16. How many videos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos.
The last
And we're averaging around
8 days.
200 views a day.
Yeah.
Look there. You can scroll like over it.
Oh yeah.
See there. So it's like 200 views a day, which is not bad. You can just go down.
Now then, I hope you guys are enjoying our slice of life videos. And if you are not, we're still gonna release them anyway.
Yeah. Anyways,
Yeah.
we don't care.
It's just for enjoyment, you know.
The content is basically just to see what our demographic looks like and all that. So it's the same. See, views for the people that don't know what impressions is on YouTube. Basically, how many times YouTube showed your video to
Yeah.
the YouTube algorithm. So our videos were shown 51,000 times.
Yeah.
Yeah, and 8% of that clicked on the video. So that's what impression
Now
and
listen
click on the
here,
video is.
you 51,000 people.
They're never gonna hear you. They're never gonna hear you.
We need that impression rate to go just a
A
little
little bit higher. Come on.
it in the thumbnail.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
it's like
overall.
more. This is more how YouTube suggests our stuff. YouTube search. A lot of people search our video.
Yeah.
Browse external. I think that's Facebook, Instagram, and most the
Curious
WhatsApp.
question, might be stupid. Do we have a female audience?
We will
If
get
please
there.
say something in the comment
I think we'll
section.
get
We're coming to the audience.
Yeah.
It's the next step.
Is lower than subscribers. So
Now then,
Oh my
come on,
god.
guys. What the fuck, man?
at the current moment, right now, while we're recording, we have 4,880 subs.
And you're not returning.
And you're not returning, so
You
it's
just
once
sub
off.
and you
Come on,
leave.
guys.
Sub and you leave?
Notifications.
You sub and you leave? Is this how we do things?
Rumor has it if a sub watches, they have good luck for life.
Live, yeah.
Yeah, so please keep
The
watching.
beast himself.
Yeah, exactly.
Mr. Beast is going through allegations.
Oh shit, yeah.
Allegedly.
Yeah. Allegedly.
Leave Mr. Beast out of this, Mr. Beast.
Okay, so I think there's more of the data. Wait, go down, audience. Let's see. There's a full audience tab, more power. So YouTube told us this is your videos are growing, blah blah blah.
Oh, wait, we going low over here?
Videos growing, your audience low. Okay, just move on.
God damn, moving on.
When do you guys watch our videos? Like if you're watching our videos, because the SEO says a lot watches it on Wednesdays and Sundays. Okay, but we post
Is
Sundays.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do post on Sundays.
Saturdays as well.
So Sundays
Saturdays
is a lot.
is a peak.
It's a peak, yeah.
Very many viewers on YouTube.
Yeah, because we post.
Oh, look at that percentage.
But we post at 4 on Sundays.
Check the top geographic.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about, fellow South Africans.
South African, there we go.
Whoosh.
What?
Go on. Nigeria, come on.
yeah,
Nigerian brothers.
My Kenyan bros!
yeah,
And Indians!
You got
Yes!
the Filipinos.
Is that India?
Yeah. In the Filipino.
Another side note. You Indian companies, y'all trying to scam us.
Yeah, you guys are scamming us all
Y'all
the
trying to
time.
scam
There's a
us.
lot of scams.
Y'all trying to scam us in our emails. I see you,
We
Paraj.
see.
And Pende.
Don't name them. Don't name them. You're giving them more traction.
Yeah. Go down.
You scammers.
Okay, this is. I don't think it's useless data, but it's good
Yeah.
data.
And this-
not subscribe. We need to get this up.
Come on,
See,
please,
that's
subscribers.
That's that. We need to get
That's
that.
disgusting.
One of these days we're gonna be running, you know, subscriber prize giving. Then you're gonna wanna come back.
We're here from the beginning.
You're gonna have an S24 Ultra, and then you're gonna wanna come back.
Hey, 5%!
That's 5%. Is crazy. Nikita. My mom.
My mom.
Your mom.
Our cousins, our auntie.
Look at the males, they're trying to make money. That's what I'm talking about, guys.
Yeah,
We're all about the brand.
Yeah.
Grow with us, man.
18 to 24.
I like this
This
age.
is a lovely age
I like this age. Like
because we're in that same age group.
We
Same
around
WhatsApp
it.
group.
I'm leaving this year though.
Same WhatsApp group.
I don't know why you're talking.
We're going to the
What do
next
you mean
one.
we're in the same WhatsApp group?
This is the next one.
25 to 34, man.
That's the same WhatsApp group. I am 25.
Oh yeah, true.
25 years old. These men are 27. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with them.
Fun fact, I'm the youngest, guys.
Yeah. He is the youngest.
Fun fact, I'm the middle child.
You know what? He's the oldest.
I'm the middle.
Oh, this is a new tab.
Oh, yeah.
Revenue.
Monetized. Yeah. Monetized.
So this is a new tab.
We unlocked it a few days
And
ago.
for now, we'll show you guys because you guys were with us this journey. But later on, we won't show this.
We
shit.
were so old.
We will not show it later. This is the only time you're
The
gonna
only
see.
time literally you'll see it, guys.
Once we have like 5 figures, I don't know you.
April, May, June, we didn't make nothing because we got.
Yeah, we only got monetized like last month.
Yeah,
Yeah.
August. So there you can see most of the stuff, more data.
Yeah. Wait.
Top
Look
videos.
what's making the money.
XM.
Come on, XM.
Watch
Thank
last
you.
video,
Come on,
video
XM.
last week's video if you did.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Also, if you're looking for a broker, please
Go to XM.
use code
Pros
CAPBROS.
at XM.
Yes.
And that's then the last one is inspiration.
Yeah,
I think this just
inspiration.
gives us more ideas on videos you want to post. So that's
Like, look at this,
SEO.
man. Look at. Wait, no, I'm not. Don't plug these people. We're
Yeah.
not gonna show inspiration.
No inspirations. You
Yeah.
can go back to
No,
overview.
no,
So
no.
We need
go
inspiration.
back to
I
dashboard.
don't want to know them.
And that's basically the SEO, guys. So the next time, or you won't even see this the next time because we will not show it again. So enjoy this video, enjoy how our startup, how it began, and know all that things. So yeah. And okay, we give a shout out to these recent subscribers, which is eMoney,
Oh,
Blue.
yeah.
and I don't know.
And Donald Donnell Sir Rocks
Yeah,
Panda.
so those
Yeah,
are
shout out to
the
y'all,
last-
man.
shout out to
y'all.
guys.
Shout out to
You
y'all.
gotta watch the videos too.
Shout
Come
out
on,
to y'all.
E-Money. Let's go.
This is that Capital Bros team, bro.
E-Money.
So yeah,
With that, guys, I think it's safe to
it's
say.
a wrap up for
Yep.
today's Sunday video, guys.
Yes, and all those who have subbed, please keep watching.
Yeah, this is
on.
only the start, guys.
We can't have like our non-subs be higher than the sub count.
Exactly.
Exactly,
guys.
yeah.
Come on, man.
Monetize, niggas.
Yeah.
You did good, boys.
I mean, monetize,
analytics.
motherfuckers.
It's just basically the start of our YouTube channel.
We are monetized, bitches.
Let's just wrap it up.
Yeah. Peace out, guys. We'll see you
we are
next week
Capital
for
Bros,
another one.
guys. Thanks for watching.
Yep.
Also, depending on when this video comes out, we also will be featuring a new member of the Capital Bros Squad. Well, not a new member.
We
You've
did
seen him
already
in-
tease
You've
him,
seen
yeah.
him in a couple of videos.
Videos, yeah.
His name,
Don't give it away.
although we have left some hints in some videos, so you know, for those detectives.
Oh my god. Peace out. Peace out.